Have you ever felt like you're running on a hamster wheel, constantly busy, but not really getting anywhere? What if I told you the secret to a calmer, more focused, and happier life isn't some new age fad, but a powerful combination of ancient wisdom and modern brain science? Sounds intriguing, right? Stick with me, because we're about to unlock some seriously life-changing secrets. For thousands of years, philosophers and monks have talked about the power of mindfulness and living in the present. They knew, long before we had fancy brain scanners, that our minds have a tendency to wander, either dwelling on past regrets or worrying about the future. They taught practices like meditation to train the mind to stay in the here and now. You might think, okay, that's nice, but what does science have to say about it? Well, this is where it gets really exciting. Neuroscientists have discovered something called the default mode network in our brains. Think of it as your brain's autopilot. When you're not focused on a specific task, this network kicks in, and your mind starts to drift. It's the reason you can be driving a familiar route and suddenly realize you don't remember the last 5 minutes. While this can be useful, an overactive default mode network is linked to anxiety, depression, and that constant feeling of mental chatter. It's basically your brain's what-if generator, working overtime. Now, here's the magic connection. Studies using fMRI scans have shown that practices like meditation, which ancient traditions have championed for centuries, literally calm down this default mode network. When you focus on your breath or the sensations in your body, you're telling your brain, hey, let's be right here, right now. This isn't just a feeling. It's a measurable change in brain activity. You're actively shifting from autopilot to intentional, focused awareness. So, how can you apply this ancient wisdom, backed by modern science, to your daily life? It's simpler than you think. You don't need to retreat to a monastery. Start with just 5 minutes a day. Find a quiet spot. Sit comfortably and just focus on your breath. Notice the feeling of the air entering your nose, filling your lungs, and then leaving your body. Your mind will wander. That's totally normal. The key isn't to stop your thoughts, but to gently notice when you've drifted and bring your attention back to your breath. Over and over again, this simple act is like a bicep curl for your brain's focus muscle. Another powerful technique is what I call single tasking. In our world of constant notifications and multitasking, we've trained our brains to be distracted. Try doing one thing at a time with your full attention. When you're drinking your morning coffee, just drink the coffee, savor the warmth, the aroma, the taste. Don't scroll through your phone or plan your day. When you are talking to a friend, really listen. Put your phone away and be fully present with them. This practice of bringing mindful attention to everyday activities strengthens your brain's ability to focus and quiets that noisy default mode network. By merging the timeless insights of ancient traditions with the concrete evidence from brain science, we get a powerful roadmap for well-being. It's not about adding more to your to-do list. It's about changing how you show up for the life you're already living. It's about training your brain to find peace and clarity in the present moment, rather than being lost in the mental noise of the past and future. It's a journey, not a destination, but one that is so worth taking. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and consider subscribing for more tips on living a smarter, happier life. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.